What's up, guys? So in this video, I got some parts for the G35. Let's open them. I haven't made a video in like 2 weeks, or uploaded a video to it, mostly because I haven't been doing anything, and I didn't want to just make a crap-ass video. But today we got some parts in the mail for the G35, and I'm going to unbox these, put them on the car. Let's see how this goes.
Tryna get on my pimp shit, but I'm stuck on my dirty tip, so I fucking ugly bitch on the pretty girl's dick.
So this is my rim. Hopefully, hope to God it's these rims. Because I really didn't know what to fucking order.
Idiot. He didn't even check anything. He just ordered the ones that looked the simplest.
Are you gonna do the honors?
I'll do the honors.
The Sylvia is covered up right now, so y'all don't get to see it. Y'all just get to see this old butte. Ooh, fancy. Fancy.
Alright, pull it out.
Oh,
Those look damn near identical.
Fuck yes. Dude, they look so good. Oh yeah, that's them.
Oh yeah.
So,
go get this thing mounted.
Now I gotta go get it mounted. Because if y'all remember, I bapped a curb, okay? And it fucked up the back right rim. Tire's still good, so all I had to do was order a rim. Took me forever to find this rim. I actually had to go to the manufacturer itself. I can't really pronounce this fucking Vordovan. How do you pronounce that?
Vordovan.
Vordovan rims. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Correct me. I don't go for it. Okay. I got a new rim. That's all that matters. And y'all remember that 9K cow hood I had? Well, it's gone. Okay. I gotta buff all this out, clean all of it off. But I got a new cow hood. Open this up so we get to see.
I didn't really get an actual cow hood. It's gonna be so different though. That's the weird part about it.
I know. Next is I gotta make my own headlights, and I want to make taillights too. Hopefully,
Why?
yeah. I ordered
It's got tape on it already.
a pretty big one. Mostly because I didn't want it so tiny in the middle and it looked awkward. I want it just to take up a lot of room. Hopefully, it's the size I need though,
Yeah, like
and I'll have
to
like height wise.
scoop.
Because if it's not, then we're gonna have to make like a homemade filler to make it bigger than what it is. Because I'm still use it.
I don't know how it goes.
It goes like that.
Like this?
Yeah. Oh.
It's close.
It was so close. It's like. Let's see. How's that look?
What is this?
That doesn't look bad.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's what goes on it. Whenever it comes painted, this is already on there.
Yeah. Why didn't you get one painted?
Because I was like, that's like $200 extra dollars, and I'm like, fuck the paint, bro. Like, let's do it without the paint. But yeah, it fits.
I say we just pull this thing up to the shop, clean this off real nice, and then it's got tape on it.
It's already got the tape. Let's go do it. Okay. So as of you who know about this car, the interior is stripped completely. It's got bucket seats. It's got double din radio, which doesn't work. I gotta figure out what's wrong with it. Haven't even checked out to see what's wrong with it. But main thing I'm worried about is, let's put this cow hood on. And actually, it's so loud right now, my exhaust is loose. It came loose somewhere right here, like up in here. The other day I was riding and it scraped, like the exhaust scrapes all the fucking time because how low it is and the roads are shit around here. That my exhaust actually came loose. So I gotta fix that ASAP. I gotta get a new one of these. I want to get one with the gauge so I can put my boost up there. I just have not done it yet. I am ordering stuff for it. I ordered a rim and a cow hood. I normally do not order anything for cars. It takes me so long to order anything for a car. Right. So I'm about to show y'all my exhaust. Have you seen my exhaust?
Yeah.
Have you really though?
Like underneath there? No.
Like, look at it.
Is it falling? Oh my god.
On the ground there.
Yeah, my exhaust fell off the other day.
Oh,
So
yeah,
like,
put the hangers back on.
I got like, I don't know if you can see or not, but it is on like the ground. Bad. All right.
Yeah, you're gonna have to put some bigger tires on that yoke.
What this?
Yeah.
No, I just gotta put the exhaust back up. But first I gotta put this cow hood on, so let's get to it.
Whenever I use the tires, I put 35s on it. I slid it at up there on Lee.
So this is basically what it's gonna look like. It doesn't look that bad, but it's a tad bit too short, so I had to use the piece they gave me that goes right here. I put it right here just to cover up the back little piece that's missing. I'm gonna clean the hood up, and then I'm gonna put it on.
I'm only the past, I got the gas in my dick stop. Throw me in the trash, car for a pickup. Death of a bitches up because the crystal. Blood spilling in my motherfucking pimp cup. Used to love the bitch, now she sucking up the dick. So I cut my fucking wrist, feel like a puddle of piss. Suicide, yeah, I mean, who gives a
Pro tip, if you need to get sticky shit off your car, use some freaking brake cleaner and a rag and scrub at it. So we cleaned it and we dried it as best we can. That's just little stuff, and we're about to rig it up.
You got that motherfucking pedigree, but generally all my ex-hoes become my enemies, and my next hoes will deal with jealousy from a couple
That's
years.
it. Just
Couple of the bitches that ain't important,
Right there.
and pussy come from the sport, they call me Jordan, with my endorsement.
Stick it right there.
Remain the doorman when it comes to these bitches that play it for man. All the girls I done fuck, we got kids or ex-husbands, they talk these are strippers, but hey, I'm not judging.
Oh,
The fuck with the hippie bitch,
Looks
fuck
even.
with the skinny bitch, fuck with the needy bitch, fuck with the greedy bitch. Nah, I can't do that shit. Too much energy.
Yeah, it looks like it's struggling in the middle.
Oh, please just let me be one of your memories.
Kilo. What you doing? Sure, yeah. Let's get mint. Alright, so basically I'm riding over and I'm gonna check out what the old rim looks like. Check out the tire, pick it up, and get it ready for the tire shop right now. So we're pulling up, and this is where my car was sitting for a long time. It sat right here, but that's the rim. It's pretty messed up. So what I'm hoping is, the tire is not egged. Hope to God the tire is still good, so I don't have to go buy a new tire because this tire was still amazing. But yeah, let's put this up on here. So instead of going to get a rim right now, I'm gonna hook up the exhaust because I can't go nowhere with the exhaust being like how it is. It is on the ground. So let me jack this car up and see what's up with it. Look under it. Oh shit. This is 2 volts. Now we know what was that noise. That's awesome. So let's get this fixed.
Take a hit of acid, been a while since the trip. Now I see all your shit, brain glowing, everything's bending in the same motion. Roll the blunt, I take a hit, start staring at the smoke as it twists and disappears. Peer pressure don't affect me, bitch. I take drugs on my own. Pop up Perkins, throw some coke. It feel like my heart is broken because
I got the exhaust bolts in, so all I gotta do is hook everything up. The exhaust bolts are literally, because it's always dragging, everything's like loose. I have so many exhaust licks that it ain't funny. But let's get this fixed. so I couldn't fix the exhaust fully because I couldn't put 2 bolts in there because it was bent from dragging the ground for so long. So I put 1 bolt and my exhaust is still on the ground. Basically, I gotta bring this thing to exhaust shop. So I'm gonna let the exhaust shop do it. That's the easiest thing you can possibly do. And I already gotta bring it to get it lined. And the exhaust shop actually aligns cars, so it's 2 in 1.
And dig in the man, feeling panic. I need a sandwich. Pass it as I hold it, real slowly, lonely, looking ghostly, surrounded by smoke. Mirror images of a fictionist over me. Don't give a fuck behind me. I'm drug until Take a hit, the ass has been a while since the trip. Now I see you know your shit, brain glowing, everything's bending in the same motion. Roll the blunt, I take a hit, start staring at the smoke as it twists and disappears. Peer pressure don't upset me, bitch. I take drugs on my own. Pop up Perkins, throw some coke. It feel like my heart is broke because I get fucked up when I feel alone. I'm choking on this podium, I'm hoping that I don't breathe, bitch. I'm dope back like you know me. Shoot me up so I can know
Look at that.
Look at that. That bitch walked.
It's pretty fucked up.
No, she still got 100K miles on her.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. I went and got the tire put on the new rim yesterday. And now we're gonna put it on the Infinity. So let's get this done. Alright, so I got the rims on. She's back and better than ever. Yes. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing the G35. It's gonna be back in action in the next video. I'll see you guys next time. Like, comment, and subscribe.